Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, it's Anthony here. If you're building your own personal Forex account or perhaps trading a prop firm account, would trade signals like this make a difference? These are last week's signals. We had a 19 out of 20 win rate. If this is of interest, definitely watch this video. What I'm offering here is not just daily trade signals, but a support system, chat room, trading education. We have videos, strategies. Here's an example of what I'm posting every day. Entry, stop loss, TP. In this last week we had from Monday to Friday. Okay, so we had 20 signals. Okay, so you can see what you're getting. I'm trading these one of my prop firm accounts. These are live trades. And yeah, I mean, you get everything. Entry, stop loss, T1, T2. If you want to find out more about that, head over to my website, tradingwithanthony.com, and you can join our VIP group there. It's incredibly affordable. So what we'll do quickly is have a look at Fridays. We had four trades on Friday. 3 of them had a really nice outcome. I mean, look at that. Pound Swissy. Let's have a quick look at these, then I'll explain how we manage these. So Friday, another profitable day. Nice outcome. Okay, we'll just have a quick look at the US 100. What I want to do with this, the rest of the video, is we'll just go through these trades that we took on Friday, and I want to explain to you how we manage these and get the most out of them. This one, what I was anticipating was this play. It happened down here. It was a counter trend opportunity. Counter trend, I ignored our signals, and my thing was trading down into the London Open. We saw it pull back, and I was hoping we'd see that, get a decent retrace out of it, and then perhaps it would roll over around the Asia close and do that. But, okay, so I didn't call that one so well. We got the move down here, and we missed that one. So, I mean, guys, you just got to put it down to the cost of doing business. Let it go. But here's the thing. This risk, whatever that is, I want you to make sure you watch my 2 videos on risk management. We're going to Discord, and by the way, this is free to join. The link's below. You're welcome. It's down here in this tutorial section. Risk management. Please watch these 2 videos and get your head around, especially keep position size, especially this. And notice this word consistent. It's in my videos, guys. Watch it. I can't tell you how important this is, the content of these videos. I don't want to go into detail in this video, but I can touch on it briefly. If you're trading odd lot sizes with different instruments or different currency pairs, and you're going in here willy-nilly with odd lot sizes, you're going to get yourself into deep trouble. Trust me on this, guys. I've been there and done that. Don't even think about lot size as such. It's got to be position size, and it's a percentage of your account. And keep this consistent. This will make or break you as a trader. I'm telling you now. I've been there and done it too many times. You don't get this risk management thing right in terms of being consistent with your position size and keeping it small. Keeping it small, right? There's 2 things that will blow your account is going in with odd lot sizes and big lot sizes. Don't do it. Hear me. Seriously, take this in. My whole thing with this is slow and steady wins the race. Keep your position size consistent, and it's got to be a percentage of your account that you're risking in each trade. Anyway, all of that is explained in these 2 videos here. Okay, you're welcome to watch them. Please do. So let's just come back here. Occasional stop gets taken out. Doesn't matter. Cost of doing business, move on. So here's how we manage these to our benefit. Kiwi CAD, Friday's trades. We'll have a look at these other 3 trades here. Signal, fires, we get an entry, trading with the trend. And we want this to give us a little bit. I mean, you're not going to be looking to close T1 here. However, we are looking at the Asia close and the New York Open for the opportunity to close 2/3 of our position. Okay, we ended more or less heading into the Asia close, so that's not really an option. Give it a chance to play out. As we're heading down into the New York Open, here it is. We've got the divergence with these lines. We've got the dot, and we're starting to see the rotation. We've got a higher low. That's your T1 right there. Take 2/3 off. Tighten up your stop down to above the high if you want, and leave it. Let it go. This line here is actually a daily resistance level. Look how it trades into it. Look at that. Okay, take notice of the lines that we have on our indicators. Yellow is a daily, orange is a weekly, that's right, and the monthly is a white line. Okay, so we need these levels, as you can see. Comes back up, rebalances, and off we go. All right, and then the 30% that we've got running, just let it go and trail it. So you'll follow it down, and you can trail it with a 5-minute chart if you like. Trailing stop midway through this cloud. So your stop loss level can trail it midway through the cloud, and maybe that's where you get taken out. Good job. It did that. Pound Swiss. All right, again, we entered this one just after the London Open. Trades down a little bit. It's not giving us much. Leave it alone. It rotates here. Okay, this is the Asia close. I mean, if it had traded down further, then that could be T1, but it didn't do that. So we just leave it alone, let it play out. It rolls over here, and as we're heading into the New York Open here, there's our divergence, there's our dot. Close 2/3 of your position right there and make that T1. And then bring your stop loss down and trail it, see what you get out of it. So if we're trailing it on the 5-minute chart, mid-cloud here, we're still in it, we're still in it, we're still in it, we're still in it. Okay, we're looking at mid-cloud. That's midway. And I mean, this is a seriously big payday, guys. It finally gets taken out. If you're measuring the cloud here, midway, that could be your exit, depending on how well you read it. If you see that, and then we get this higher low, then that could be your exit down here. It depends on how well you read price action. But quite a nice outcome, that one. And then Euro Swissy. Okay, we're looking for a short. Got the break, we got the divergence. Trading with the trend here. We entered down here, so we're looking for an opportunity to take profit. It's not going to happen here. This is too close to our entry. We'll let it go. We get the pull back in. Okay, leave it alone. And then as we move into the New York Open, that dot, that's your T1. See this yellow line? That's a daily level. So it trades into a daily level. We get our green dot. That's T1. Close 2/3 of your position. Trail the rest. I like the 5-minute chart if that's where you're closing. Mid cloud here is your stop loss. Right, that could have been if you're trailing this midway through the cloud. Well, that you might have got taken out here, and that's in the money. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay, so T1 is a dynamic target. We're looking for, depending on when we enter, either the Asia close or the New York Open. The market is most likely going to rotate around these times. Okay, so that's the opportunity we're looking for. Notice what's on the chart, our levels, our signals, and manage your trailing stop well. Okay, last week we had quite a nice outcome. Join us. It's on my website. So the trade signals generally I'm going to give you. We've got an entry, we've got a stop loss, T1 and T2. But these are dynamic, guys. Dynamic insofar as we're waiting for the Asia close, the New York Open. What was that? Was that a buy? Yep. And if that's trading in our favor, and we got a little bit of distance out of it into these times, that becomes our T1 and we close it. And we take partial profits. Anyway, if you're unsure about this, watch the last 2 videos I've uploaded on the trade signals, and you'll get it. A great way to manage these trades. Yeah, I mean, so with that, join VIP, guys. This is the channel up here. You can go onto the website. Here it is, the link, tradingwithanthony.com. Do the math, guys. Do the math. Okay, so there's some options here you can choose from. Okay, look forward to seeing you in Discord, and let's enjoy the journey together. With that, have a great day. See you in the next video.